Hello there, my name is Dermot Afwecha and I'm the EMWA website manager. I'm going to show you how in just a few clicks you can see everything that you've registered for at a conference. Click on the member login from the EMWA page and go here to Members, My Account. Then go straight to My Events and select the conference in question. The easiest way is to click this one to view the registration of the conference you're interested in. As you can see, you see everything you've registered for by day, so you get a very quick and good overview of what's ahead of you as you come to the conference. Just click on the arrows to expand it. We are sure you will enjoy this new facility and we hope to see you in Malmo or at a future conference. Thank you for your attention.